Deep. Is there anyone else that can operate this thing? Seriously.
Ashley thought we should get rid of most of them.
What? You fired them?
Yeah, I found it.
Okay. Stop. Zoom in.
This thing has nose. Pushing smoke. Oh! I remember seeing this in the workshop. That's boss, no?
It's like they're not even
Oh!
anymore.
Ooh.
Up. Company's fucked. I'm fucked. Oh God, if the company falls, I fall. Oh fuck. Oh God, why is this happening to me?
I don't make mistakes. I'm not just like the rest of you. I'm smart. I'm better. I am better.
Okay, I'll handle this.